Hi guys, I am Isab, and today we're going to learn the syntax of a programming language called Haskell. So what makes Haskell special is that it's a functional programming language like the calculus. So it basically means that they're only functions and nothing else. So I'm just write a simple script. Put ln. Hello. So now I'm going to run this by using GHC. Oh yeah, I'm going to write main is equal to do, put ln hello. Alright, I'm also going to do /main. So now it does it. Okay, so now we're going to dive more into Haskell syntax in this tutorial. So to do this, let's open GHCI, which is GHC Interactive. So yeah, we could do stuff. Maybe we can write numbers and strings. Anyways, so yeah, like for example, to compare things, like 78 is greater than 96. It returns a true or false. Everything in Haskell needs to have a return value, so that's the purpose of the do function. Even though, you know, the do function, well, it doesn't really return anything, but let's not get to that right now. But yeah, each function has to have a return function. So yeah, each function can have different some numbers of arguments. So let's start creating our own function here. So let's say double num, and let's make it equal to, oh yeah, we need the arguments. The arguments are right after the function like this. So double num x is equal to x times 2. So now let's say double num 9 18. So if I tell something like print, oh yeah, also just want to point out the difference between print and put_ln is that print is used for things other than strings, and put_ln is only used for strings. Alright, where was I? Print double num 9. As you can see, it doesn't work. So it's trying to print double num, which we don't want. So you can put brackets here, 18. So brackets basically, you know, separates it. You know, they sort of like brackets in math. You know, they make it to run this first, get the return values. So then the return values will be in the brackets. So it's gonna basically be print 18, and then yeah, you're gonna print 18. Anyways, so we can make functions using other functions. So let's say we have a simple function right here. So double num 9. So let's say quad num, I guess. Quad num x is equal to, so we're gonna use brackets here, double num x times 2. Ooh. Double num x times 2, I guess. So now let's write quad num 1. Now quad num 2. It's gonna return 8. So now let's write do quad num 2. This is the same thing, 8. So here, if you put ln hello without main equals do, then it's gonna show an error because, I mean, Haskell it's not gonna run anything if you don't tell it to. Okay, so where was I? Now if we change the original double num, so double num x is equal to x times 3 or something, then if we do quad num, things are gonna change because it's gonna get multiplied by 3 now. Okay, well actually that didn't happen. Anyways, let's move on to variables. So you can make variables like this. O is equal to 7. Or what? O is equal to 7. So you can print O. You don't have to use the brackets in this print function. Well, we're just using it because why not? But yeah, you should only use the brackets when there's some seem to be separated, I guess. So yeah, there's also this weird arrow operator thing that allows you to grab a return value of a function. So let's say let's make it to be quad num 8. So now I want to actually. Okay, so let's actually do it. We're just gonna have to write O is equal to quad num 8. So now we can print O. So we don't actually use this operator. We're gonna worry about it in another tutorial. Okay, so now we're gonna worry about types. So if I say int or something. I mean, so if I say j int. Okay, never mind. So actually, let me open the Haskell code to do this. Okay, so let me make a new function. Quad num as usual is equal to x times 4. So quad num, its input is an integer, and its output is also an integer. So okay, so now let's say r is equal to quad num 9. So let's print r. Oh yeah, since this is a do block, we have to use that. So now it's going to quadruple r, r, which is 9. Okay, actually it's going to quadruple 9, so it's just going to put that to the r value. So then, yeah. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, if you like and subscribe, so bye.